Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install ChatGPT in VS Code. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly install this VS Code. So this is what it looks like, and in order for you to install or download ChatGPT, what you want to do is simply go to extensions. Okay, so the extensions is right here. Now, what you want to do is to simply type ChatGPT, and then you will see tons of results here. But you have to look for Easy Code, ChatGPT Easy Code, which is this one. Once you found it, tap and then look for the button that says install. Okay, click install and wait for a couple of minutes as it is processing. So once it is okay or done, you just have to go to the spot right here. And then as you can see, if you go down below, I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. We have here ask code base and ask web. Obviously, if you tap ask web, whatever you type here, the answers, of course, are from web. And if you ask code base, then from your code base, your own code base, you can ask easy code for it. Okay, for example, if you tap this ask web, we can ask create an HTML for something like that. Everything is up to you. And then tap this arrow or tap enter. Then this easy code or this Visual Studio Code will give you the answer. Okay, and that is of course on ChatGPT Easy Code. So yeah, it may take a little bit longer, but this is the result. Actually, most of the cases, I'm going to show you a result or a sample answer from Ask a Web. And this is what it looks like. And you can copy this one and use it wherever you wish. Now, if we tap this ask code base, so what you want to do is simply go to this part right here, open folder, and then create a folder. Let's just say HTML and then tap this yes. I authorize this or I trust this one, and then click this one. Now tap this paper with a plus icon here, and then I should say we're going to type index.html. And then what you want to do next is to simply paste your own code and then just highlight any areas right here, right click, and then you can ask any questions. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You just have to I highlight and then right click, and there are some sample questions there, and all you have to do is tap it one, and then it will be answered by, of course, ChatGPT Easy Code. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.